In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can easily password protect an Excel file on a MacBook. And if you have sensitive information in an Excel file, or you only want to share information with certain people, then it is useful to know how you can protect an Excel file with a password. The first step is you go to the Excel file that you want to create. For this example I've created this test file, so just as an example, but you can create a new Excel file or go to an existing one. Then you need to make sure to save the file, so give it a name, and I have set a location, so now it's displayed on the desktop, so you can see it over here. And to add a password you need to go to the file settings over here, click on it, and if you scroll down you can see the passwords option over here, so click on passwords. You can see two options. You can set a password to open the file, and if you want to you can also set a password specifically for modifying the file. Make sure you fill in the password and also make sure to remember the password, so save it somewhere or make sure that you remember it, copy it, and then you can click on OK. So I don't set a password for modifying the file, but you can do that. And after you have entered the password, click on OK. Now you can see this message saying re-enter the password to proceed. So make sure that you enter the password again. And over here it says caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding workbook and sheet names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. That's okay. Click on the button and now I can close the file, save everything. Now you can see this lock icon appear on the file, so that means that it is password protected. Now if you want to open it, you will see this box show up. You can enter the password over here to get access to the file. So I enter the password, click on OK, and now you can see I have access to the file, and you can just change things over here like this. So that's it for this quick tutorial. So now you know how you can set a password for your Excel file. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I would appreciate it very much. If you have any other questions or comments, make sure to let me know in the comment section. Thanks again, and I'll see you back again in the next video.